Hello everyone. If someone gave you 90 days, could you learn SAP Success Factors? Can you learn and get certified? Build enough confidence to attend interviews? And maybe even land your first consulting job? Most people immediately say, no way. And others will believe that watching few YouTube videos are enough. The truth is, both are wrong. I have been working in SAP HR and SAP SuccessFactors for many years. I have interviewed consultants, I have mentored beginners, and I have also seen people spend collecting certifications without getting a single project. Today, I am going to show you the exactly where it really takes to learn SAP SuccessFactors in 90 days. Not the marketing version, the real version. Let's clear something up immediately. Learning SAP SuccessFactor is not the difficult part. Learning HR is the variations in HR. SAP SuccessFactors is a simple software, but the software exists to solve HR problems. If you don't understand hiring, promotions, transfers, compensations, performance management, succession planning, learning, and employee life cycle, then you will always configure the system without understanding why. A big why. Why are you doing this? And that's why company hire consultants, not button clickers, problem solvers. And that is the mindset you need, being a problem solver. Can you learn SAP SuccessFactors in 90 days? Definitely, yes. But it depends on your goal. If your goal is to become the world's best consultant, no, impossible. If your goal is understand Employee Central, learn configuration, pass certification, build confidence, prepare for interviews, then absolutely 90 days is realistic if you follow the right roadmap. Many times people ask this question, which certifications should I take? That is a very wrong question. The better question is, what business problem does this module solve? For example, Employee Central. It isn't about MDF object. It is about employee life cycle. Recruiting. It is not about templates. It's about hiring. Performance management. It's not about forms. It's about improving employee performance. Technology make more sense when you understand the business first. Let's deep dive into steps to get to 90 days plan. So month 1, you should build your foundation, master the HR concepts behind the system, build understand life cycle structures, data models before touching a single button. Month 2, you should start configuring. Open a demo tenant, build business rules, objects, workflow, break things, fix, repeat. And month 3, think like a consultant. Stop configuring and start solving real business problems. This is where most learners quit. You shouldn't. What should you do in month 1 to build the foundation? It's not only the configuration, understanding the HR, learning employee life cycle, understand organization structure, job information, foundation objects, what is position, what does it do, employment, workflows, business rules, data models, role based permissions. Spend time understanding why organization use Employee Central, not just where the buttons are. Month 2, start configuring. Now, open a demo environment, break things, fix them, experiment, create business rules, create foundation objects, create some workflows, custom pick list, MDF objects, position structures, import data, export data, re-import them, run reports. The more mistakes you make, the faster you will learn. Month 3, think like a consultant. Not only about the configuration, also about how do you solve business problems. For example, a customer says, we need to prevent employee termination when global assignment exists. Can you design it? Another says, our promotion requires finance approval only above certain salary. Can you build it? This is consulting, not configuration. Now, the next question comes is, should you get certified? Absolutely. But remember, certification gets interviews, but skills gets projects. I have met certified consultants who couldn't explain the employee life cycle. I have met uncertified consultants who solved incredibly complex business problems. Certification proves knowledge, experience proves capability. You need both. After this, it is time to build a portfolio. Imagine you are interviewing two candidates. Candidate 1 says, I completed certification. Candidate 2 says, I built 25 business rules. I have created 5 workflow designs. I configured position management. I designed an employee central implementation. Who gets the interview? Exactly. Create your own portfolio. Document everything. Create solution design, configuration documents, business processes, diagrams, workflow maps, testing documents, and become confident. Interesting part comes is the interview preparation. Don't memorize answers, tell stories. Interviewers love stories. Instead of saying, I know business rule, say, I solved a business problem where that dash dash. That is consulting. Before business, before technology, always. Can you become a SAP SuccessFactor consultant in 90 days? Yes, but only if you stop learning like a student and start thinking like a consultant. Because customers don't pay for certifications, they pay for confidence, judgment, problem solving, communication, and trust. Technology can be learned, consulting is developed. Now I want to hear from you. If you had 90 days, which success factors modules would you learn first? Employee Central, recruiting, performance, learning. Write your answers in the comments. And if enough people are interested, I can create and guide you week by week from beginner to interview ready consultant. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then in the next video.